Okay. Now this is purely your P3 trigonometry question. Okay, now you have to see that you have to write this in terms of r cos here. You know, this is your cos. The composite angle is with the cos here. So this expression is starting from the cos. So that is a prerequisite. That is a condition that is to be satisfied. Okay. And secondly, when you're writing this in terms of cos, if there is a plus between them, there has to be a minus between them. So all these conditions, they are being matched. So this means your A is going to be 8 and your B is going to be 15. And we have the rules that your R is the square root of this A square plus B square. And remember, we do have a plus minus with this, but since this is given that this R is positive, so you will be keeping its positive value here. Okay, na? So this is going to be now, this is your 8 square plus 15 square. So that will give us 17, exactly 17. Okay. And then you have to find this alpha here and see it says correct to 2 decimal places. Okay. So this is now going to be alpha's rule is that is tan inverse of B over A. And we just need the basic angle here because this is, you know, in your first quadrant here. So when you find this tan inverse of 15 over 8, so what do we have?
61.93.
Okay, this 61.93 because we have to write this correct to 2 decimal places. 61.93. So, you know, these were like, you know, as a gift, there was 3 marks. You only had to remember, recall this formula here. Okay. Next, it says again, it's saying hence. So you people are ignoring this hence over here. It says hence solve this equation. Now he's trying to trick you people that here you're given this angle as theta, but here it is given as 2x. So never mind, you can write it as, let me write this here as well. This becomes 17 cos theta plus 61.93. Okay, so this was the answer that we should have written earlier. Okay, so now this is going to become 17 cos 2x plus 61.93, and that is equal to 4. That is equal to 4. Okay, so you see this annoying thing happening here. We are getting a compound angle over here. We know that how to deal with that, Hannah. So you should immediately say yes. Let this 2x plus 61.93 that is equal to. Let me keep this as y. I don't want to keep this as alpha because alpha has been used over here. This question becomes 17 cos y that is equal to 4. When you bring in a new variable into your trigonometric equation, you must mention its limits as well. You have your x between 0 and 180. So this y is going to be between 61.93 and then 360 plus that is going to be 421.93. So these are the limits for the y within which we have to get the answer to this y over here. Okay. So now you have this cos y as positive. So cos y is this. So this is going to be in these 2 quadrants here, Hannah. So let's find the cos inverse of this. Sir Nadeem is having a chat with Miss Fozia and they are very excited, I think, about something. Okay. Okay. So this is 76.39. So I really wonder that if Miss Fozia was teaching here and if we two were speaking, what could have happened with us? Imagine. Okay. 76. Yeah. Acha, okay. So this is 76.39. Okay. So we have here y equal to 76.39. And the second angle is 360 minus answer. That is 283.61. This is 283. So guys, you have to be patient over here, okay? Don't try to rush through the question. Just follow the instructions, follow these rules here. Okay? So now we have to go back and give the values of x. Okay? So you have here this 2x plus 61.93, that is equal to your y, okay? And this x is going to be y minus 61.93 over 2. So we have the two corresponding values of x over here. So let me write these. So I have my final answers correct to one decimal place, okay? So this is the final answer here, okay? And I do believe that there should be at least 5 marks for this. 4 marks are not enough. But since this is mainly your P1 based question, so that is why I think he's giving you less marks for this. Okay.